Before you scroll, give me just 30 seconds. Can I ask you one question? What are you waiting for? Monday? Next month? Next year? The perfect diet? The perfect gym? Or the perfect motivation? But let me tell you something. That perfect day is never coming. Every single day, thousands of people, they promise themselves. कल से स्टार्ट करूँगा, कल से हेल्दी खाऊँगा, कल से वॉक पे जाऊँगा. बट समहाउ वो कल कभी नहीं आता. और जब तक उनको ये चीज़ रियलाइज़ होती है, मंथ्स निकल जाते हैं, ईयर्स निकल जाते हैं, एंड देर इज़ ओनली वन थिंग दैट चेंजेस, दैट इज़ their health. You know what is the biggest myth in fitness? That we are made to believe that it is difficult. No, it is not. We have made it difficult. क्योंकि हमें लगता है कि we need a perfect diet, a gym membership, supplements, expensive foods, 90-minute workouts. No. You know what you actually need? बस एक decision. Just one. And the decision is, today I am choosing myself. आपको एक दिन में अपनी पूरी लाइफ चेंज करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Everyone doesn't need six-pack abs. You don't need to lose 20 kgs in this month only. You just need to do today's job. Drink enough water, eat more protein, move your body, sleep on time, repeat all this tomorrow. That's it. Now let's talk about something which almost everyone ignores. Sleep. बहुत लोग proudly बोलते हैं I sleep for 4 to 5 hours as if कि ये कोई achievement हो. और उसके बाद they wonder why I'm always tired, why I'm always craving sugar, why I can't lose weight, why I don't have energy to work out. Because your body recovers when you sleep. Your muscles recover when you sleep. Your hormones reset when you sleep. Your mind resets when you sleep. So sleep is not waste of time. 7 to 9 hours of sleep is very important. It is a part of your training. और सच ये है कि बहुत लोग इसलिए फेल नहीं होते because they do not know what to do. They fail because they stop doing the simple things. Fitness is not built by one perfect workout. Fitness is built by hundreds of ordinary days. One healthy meal, one walk, one workout, one good night's sleep. Again and again and again till it becomes a habit. Now imagine yourself 1 year from today. अब दो possibilities हो सकती हैं. Number 1, you kept waiting, life stayed exactly the same. So you will not have a new year, you will just have another year. या फिर second possibility is maybe you started today, maybe you lost some weight, maybe you gained some strength, maybe you have more energy, maybe your confidence came back, maybe you are finally able to play with your kids or climb stairs without getting tired. So the difference between these two people is not talent, is not money, is not luck. It's just one decision. Today I am choosing myself. So here's my challenge for you. Don't wait for tomorrow, don't wait for Monday, don't wait for motivation. When this video ends, do one thing. Go for a 10-minute walk, drink one extra glass of water, sleep 30 minutes earlier tonight, cook one healthy meal. Do one thing, because one small decision today can completely change the quality of your life 1 year from now. If you are making that decision today, I want you to comment just one word, started. और इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि मुझे ज़्यादा कमेंट्स चाहिए. इट इज़ बिकॉज वेन यू राइट यू आर मेकिंग अ प्रॉमिस टू योर सेल्फ. And I hope 1 year from now you will come back to this video and thank yourself for not waiting. If this message touched you, then share it with someone you care about, because sometimes one conversation is all it takes to change a life. And if you are ready to build a stronger, healthier and more confident version of yourself, then subscribe to the channel, because every week we will take one step stronger together. Remember, your future is created by what you do today, not what you plan to do tomorrow.